Hello guys, welcome back to Eljib channel. Today I will show you a quick tutorial how to make a maze game. So you will need a character. In here I'm using Pickle Walking character from the Scratch library. Also you need one more sprite. It was the door. So you need to make an exit or door or a cave that the player can exit the maze. So in the players tab, the events, drag the engrave, click it. If you want to get if you want to make a maze, click this page and click the painting that has a that has named backdrops. So we're back to the characters code. So I'm going to click it in the motion, go to X and Y, set rotation style left and right, and then point in direction 90. And in the control, drag the forever word and drag also if then for I think 6 times. I think it's enough. I think 5 is enough. And in the sensor, drag the key space pressed for 4 times. If it's not enough, the if then block, so one more. And in the key space press, we change the speed to up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. You can changing it into WASD or arrow keys. In here, I'm using the arrow keys. Now in the motion, drag the change Y by 10 inside the up arrow, change Y by 10 and down arrow 2. But in the up arrow, we're changing it into 5 value, change Y by 5. And in the down arrow, we're changing it into -5 value. Now in the right arrow, drag the point in direction 19 and change X by 10. And also change the X into 5 value, and in the left arrow, drag the point in direction 19 and change X by 10. Now in the point direction 19, we're changing it into -19 and X into -5. In here, the sprite have walking costumes. So I will making it into change the costumes when we're controlling it. So next costume, next costume, next costume, and then also next costume. Okay, so you can change the costume and facing left or even right and going down and up. Okay, so you can ask, so you can ask, so why we need this to if then we want to make a sense if the player touches the wall, so the game will stop. And if the player touches the door, so he will gonna get a score. So in the sensing, drag touching color and click this background button and choose a color from the wall. And in the control, drag the stop all inside the if touching color blue. Then now in the variables, make a variable and naming it score. Well, I already make a variable, so after you make a variable, drag the set score. I mean, not set score, but change score by 1. And in the sensing, if the player touches the exit or the door, and we need to make it go to the start place again. So drag the go to X and Y position. Okay, let's test it. Okay, so the character can walk, going down, oops, and if we're touching the wall, it stops, and we need to restart. Oops, we're touching it again. So we're moving until we're near the exit, and we must touch the exit. Will the score changes? Yes, the score changes. And now we will add in a background music. So in the stage, go to sounds. In here, I'm choosing a sound library. It was dance energetic. You can upload the sound or choose the sound from the scratch library. And now in the sound, drag the play sound dance energetic into zone or your sound. And then in the events, drag the graph like click it and under the graph click it, drag the forever loop and drag the play sound until done inside the forever loop. Good, now it plays the sound and the game will gonna be played. Thank you guys for your attention. I hope you can make this game without any issues or any problems. Bye guys, see you later.